Problem that must be addressed. Businesses, families, children, all impacted by the crime plaguing the city. How did we get here? Are the systems working? And what's the best path forward?
Memphis 911, do you need fire or ambulance?
It's an epidemic. It's a virus. It's a social disease.
What's poppin'? It's Get Him 762 and back with another video. This array upload because I saw in comments in the Memphis cliques video that I got things wrong. I appreciate the feedback and critiques there are greatly appreciated. Hope to give you the best content with accurate info. Please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to get a new content as soon I drop. Thanks to all the new folks that subscribe to the channel. Now let's get into the video.
His every stay on tape. His every place he say. Keep doing set and stay out the way. Spill on God, man, I'ma come down tape.
Allegedly, the reason for the beef is that one of fellow BGE rapper YTB Fat Homie chain was taken by some LB member. Crazy Fat said is beefing with his fellow label mate Mac Critter TTG because of set recently linking up with Critter's op number 400.
Shot ain't nobody dead. I know that all man we survive out there. Them niggas gon' bleed how we bled. Hit up they block and make everybody spread.
1152 and Money Fiend already had tension from 1150 to being linked in with SVM, but things got bad for real. When dracbaby ex-girlfriend stole and gave his chain to 1150 to Marvin. And for a situation to be bad, I didn't think it could get worse. But it does. Dracbaby goes on Facebook says his ex-coochie smells like mop water.
I put a nigga bitch. If I ain't hit your hoe, I bet side man got them bricks. Side man.
Allegedly Big 30th and Moneybaggyo beef came from Moneybag allegedly is getting extorted by the collective that allegedly killed Newski.
Damn, Nico, you made it.
I've been hearing rumors in the wind. I tell my men.
What's crazy about EBG is that they Opps list looks kinda short, but EBG is one of the most hated in the city.
Rest up in my pocket, I don't make no deposit. Okay.
Lil00WDG and Mac Critter TTG camps are into a feud right now, even though they're from the same block.
But I love 556. Now I'm addicted to switches.
What's kinda confusing about this clique is that some TTG members are from EBG Crockett and Critter used to be BGK.
Ring down, catch a body. Face shotgun, ring really with the cap. You niggas be falling under pressure when it's static. Block 20 with a switch, no base, shoot rap. Faking on.
FCB had history to beef with Triple M and couldn't even leave Raleigh. But in recent years, they had grew relationships with people around the city. Mainly due to main figures of Triple M being either locked or killed.
Nigga know I play. Slap digging all poor face, so now I get dropped in the whole by way. Chase that dime, can't run from the Drake, catch all by the body.
Put my wrist and they glisten. APG nigga in case I didn't mention. Switch on the Glock, yeah, shoot like it's pissing. I ain't wanna smoke, I don't do the slick diss.
Queen, Mombay, Belza, Pepe, Dum Dum, Ruga, T-Purse, and T-Shirt.
400 and MF was cool one point of time, but things went left. Number 4 went live trying to explain, but his explanation was vague as fuck.
I y'all beef. We beefing cause they used to be 400. They used to be Crip. I ain't gonna tell you this. They used to be around this. Go listen to dracbaby, no comment. He said, pour 4 for Baby Joe. I can't wait to kid you, you know. Them folks, why you think they beefing with 700 for? But I ain't gonna tell y'all this. See, I'ma break everything, you hear me? Why y'all think they beefing with 700?
How much we got paid on the rent for?
That's the video, y'all. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to get all new content. Stay dangerous.